Now, a corporate, Reliance Infra is the stock that we're going to focus on. Lalit, Jalan, the group director of the company, joins us now to talk about a lot of news flow that's taken place. Mr. Jalan, good morning. Multiple announcements in the past few months have taken place on, the cement, the roads, the distribution sector, even in defense. What is the overall strategy of Reliance Infra now, and how do you see it impacting the debt level of the company?
Reliance Infrastructure is on a major transformative agenda as we speak. We have announced monetization of our investments made in roads, cement, and also a 49% stake in our prized Mumbai power assets. We have also announced major foray into the nascent defense sector, which is opening up. And from India's leading infrastructure player, we expect to become one of India's major defense majors with interests in the EPC space as well as management control of our Mumbai power business.
Okay.
If I look at the total debt position of Reliance Infrastructure on a standalone basis, as we speak, we are a little more than 16,000 crores. With the culmination of all these transactions, namely the sale of cement assets, road assets, 49% of distribution assets, together with the investments that we need to make in the defense sector, we expect Reliance Infrastructure to be debt-free on standalone basis by end of the next financial year, so by March 2017.
That's a huge one, sir. Well, let me start with each one of the businesses. First of all, cement. How many have you shortlisted and when will you sell?
So we started the cement process about 2 months back. We had 15 interested buyers who gave us an indicative quotes, and we have shortlisted 7 out of those 15. The due diligence is going on with the 7 interested buyers. We are at an advanced level of due diligence, and we expect to close this transaction by the end of this calendar year.
And how much money do you expect to raise with this cement asset monetization?
We cannot say. It depends on the kind of value that we get from the buyers, but we expect a very significant value creation for our shareholders, and it will be at good multiples to the amount of money that we have invested in our cement business.
So let's now talk about the road business. Have many buyers, or rather how many buyers have you shortlisted, and when could it get completed, and how much money are you expecting to raise?
In the roads business, we have a very attractive portfolio today. We have 11 road projects, out of which all of them are revenue operational. The total is 4,600 lane kilometers. The good part about our road assets is that they are connecting the major urban corridors, namely Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, Jaipur, the major urban centers, owing to which the traffic growth on our road sectors will be higher. Also, the assets have been won on good valuation basis during the bidding process. The total money that we have spent on our road portfolio till today is a little more than 9,000 crores. The process of selection of interested parties is on. Already 5 parties, international parties, have evinced interest, and once we shortlist the bidders out of the many people who show interest, the due diligence will start, and we expect that the transaction will be closed by this financial year.
Okay, so that's about the two main sectors. But just to ask you what the way forward will be as far as defense is concerned, because you know that's the segment that everyone's talking about. Can you throw some more color on that segment?
No, so as I said, the defense will be one of the major focus areas of Reliance Infrastructure going forward. However, our interests in the EPC business, in which we have a lot of skill sets across roads, metro systems, power systems. We have started exploring opportunities in the external with the external clients, as well as 51% of our power distribution business, which continues to remain with us.
But will you make money in defense in the next couple of years, next 1 or 2 years?
No, so what's happening is that the paper of acquisition would be completed by the January of 2016. The business, as we see, we are shortlisted for various government projects, and as the orders will start coming in, the defense will start showing an impact on our consolidated levels from FY17 itself. And if we go forward, then given the huge potential of the defense sector, which is available to the private sector, we expect these numbers to keep on increasing in the years to come.
Update on the Mumbai Discom sale?
On the power distribution business, we have signed a term sheet for sale of 49% of our business with PSP Investments of Canada. PSP is one of the leading pension fund players of Canada with assets of more than 112 billion Canadian dollars. The due diligence is proceeding, and we are at an advanced level. We expect the transaction to be consumed by the end of this financial year.
All right, Mr. Jalan, we'll leave it at that. Pleasure speaking with you this morning, and thank you very much for dropping by.